Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we ignite your passion and inspire your success. Today, we're tackling a dilemma that's been plaguing the world of OnlyFans, standing out in an ever-expanding sea of creators. Just picture this. You've invested time, effort, maybe even a little bit of your soul into creating content that you're proud of. You've poured your heart into your work, hoping to build a fan base that appreciates what you bring to the table. But despite your best efforts, your content seems to vanish into the digital ether, lost among the millions of creators all vying for the same attention. It's frustrating, isn't it? It feels like you're a single star in a galaxy, trying to shine brighter than all the rest. The problem is clear. With millions of creators vying for attention, it's becoming increasingly challenging to carve out your own space and build a loyal fan base. But fear not, because we're about to unveil the ultimate solution. Introducing FanFlare, the revolutionary platform designed specifically for OnlyFans creators. This isn't just another tool. Oh no, FanFlare is a game changer, a trailblazer, an absolute powerhouse that's set to turn the OnlyFans marketing world on its head. Now, you might be wondering, what makes FanFlare so special? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, FanFlare boasts an intuitive, user-friendly interface that even the most technophobic among us can navigate with ease. It's all about simplicity. And with FanFlare, you won't be wasting time scratching your head over complicated features. But don't let that simplicity fool you, because beneath the surface, FanFlare is a beast. It's packed with state-of-the-art features designed to turbocharge your OnlyFans marketing strategy. Imagine a world where you can track your content's performance in real time, identifying what works and what doesn't, and tweaking your strategy on the fly. Well, with FanFlare, you don't have to imagine, because that's exactly what you get. FanFlare also offers detailed audience analytics, enabling you to understand who your fans are, what they want, and how best to engage them. It's all about creating that connection, that bond with your fans, and FanFlare gives you the tools to do just that. But that's not all. FanFlare also features a cutting-edge content scheduler, allowing you to plan and schedule your content in advance, ensuring you never miss a beat. It's about working smarter, not harder. And let's not forget about FanFlare's integrated messaging system. This feature allows you to communicate directly with your fans, answering their questions, responding to their comments, and building that crucial rapport that's so vital in the world of OnlyFans. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, FanFlare takes the guesswork out of marketing and empowers you to connect with your audience like never before. It's time to take control of your OnlyFans marketing strategy. It's time for FanFlare. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from creators who have already experienced the incredible results of. We've seen people go from struggling to create an impact to becoming the talk of the town in a matter of weeks. One creator saw their subscriber count double in just 1 month. Another reported a threefold increase in earnings after using the tool for just 2 months. And these aren't isolated cases. Many creators have reported similar, if not better, outcomes. They've shared how it has not only improved their marketing strategy but also boosted their confidence. It's inspiring to see how this tool has transformed their lives, turning their passion into a profitable venture. So it's evident that isn't just another marketing gimmick, it's a game changer that's helping creators achieve their dreams. From skyrocketing subscriber counts to record-breaking earnings, the proof is in the pudding. So what are you waiting for? Don't let another day go by without unlocking your full potential on OnlyFans. It's time to stand out from the crowd, to command attention, to finally break through the noise and reach the heights of success you've always dreamed of. And you're not alone in this journey. The game-changing tool is your partner, your coach, your secret weapon. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, it's the ultimate solution to your OnlyFans marketing challenges. But don't just take my word for it. You've heard from creators who have already experienced the transformative power of. They've seen their subscriber count skyrocket, their earnings break records, their dreams come true. And now, it's your turn. Visit the link in the description to learn more about and start your journey toward success today.